Baby showers aren't just for moms anymore. Coed showers bring everyone together. Friends, family, and both parents can celebrate with games, food, and laughter. The right ideas make the event fun, modern, and memorable for all. Let's explore Coed baby shower ideas that balance tradition with playful energy and create an inclusive celebration. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a fun favor idea for guests? Send guests home with candles, mini succulents, or drink koozies labeled with baby-themed sayings. These favors are practical and gender-neutral. Favors that fit, like this if your guests leave smiling. What invitations fit Coed showers? Use casual, playful designs with both parents' names. Barbecue, sports, or gender-neutral themes work perfectly. Keep wording lighthearted and welcoming. Invites on point? Like this if your theme starts in the mailbox. What food works for Coed baby showers? Buffet-style meals, barbecue, or finger foods work best. Add themed treats like baby bottle cupcakes or diaper dogs for fun and conversation starters. Menu full of flavor? Like this if food makes your shower shine. What are great drink options? Offer mocktails, lemonade, or soda bars, plus optional cocktails for adults. Label drinks with playful names like Mom Osa or Daddy's Punch. Drinks with charm, like this if your bar brings laughter. What about gift openings? Have both parents open gifts together. Keep it casual and interactive by inviting guests to share funny stories or advice during the process. Gifts shared, right? Like this if your moment feels joyful and warm. How should I decorate for Coed guests? Skip overly frilly decor and focus on bold colors, balloons, and themed props. Balance soft touches with fun accents like banners or chalkboard signs. Decor with balance, like this if your setup feels festive and fun. How do I style the dessert table? Use neutral or themed designs like cupcakes and a statement cake. Add playful toppers that fit the Coed theme for extra fun. Desserts with delight, like this if your table looks picture perfect. How do I set the theme for a Coed baby shower? Pick something fun and neutral, like Baby Q, Baby on Board, or Twinkle Little Star. Themes that feel inclusive keep everyone engaged and excited. Themes set well, like this if your shower feels fun for all. How do I keep the atmosphere inclusive? Focus on laughter, food, and games everyone enjoys. Keep decor, activities, and wording gender neutral so every guest feels part of the celebration. Atmosphere, right? Like this if your shower feels fun for everyone. How can I involve both parents in planning? Include both in choosing themes, games, and menus. Coed showers are more fun when the planning reflects both personalities and styles equally. Planning together, like this if both parents' voices shine. Can outdoor spaces work well? Absolutely. Backyards, patios, or parks are great for Coed gatherings. Use picnic tables, BBQ setups, and string lights for a relaxed atmosphere. Outdoors with charm? Like this if your shower feels fresh and fun. Can games work at a Coed shower? Yes, choose fun group games like baby trivia, diaper changing races, or baby bottle chug. These keep everyone laughing and involved. Games with giggles? Like this if your activities bring energy. Coed baby showers bring families and friends together for an unforgettable celebration. With fun games, great food, and thoughtful decor, the event feels inclusive, joyful, and modern. Celebrate baby while honoring both parents in a shower full of love and laughter. Inspired by these ideas? Like and return for more creative party tips.